Hi friends, Namaskaram. This is Seshadri from OnCall HR. Thanks for watching our HR channel and subscribing. Please share about this channel to our all HR friends. In HR Knowledge Shorts, today we are going to see annual leave with wages in this video. Leave, yes, company to company leave policy differs. But as per Act, what is the leave policy or leave procedure? In Factories Act 1948, under section 79, it has been described. What is eligibility? If any employee, any worker worked 240 days in a calendar year, actually leave is calculated for calendar year, that is January to December. If any worker is worked for 240 days, then he is eligible for earned leave. How to calculate this 240? Actual worked days, maternity leave if anything is there, layoff if anything is there. In addition to that, earlier earned leaves whatever availed by the employee during the particular year also to be counted for calculating his eligibility. How to calculate his earned leave? We have to take actual working days now for calculation. Actual working days divided by 20, that is for every 20 days worked, 1 day leave will be credited. Example has been given. One female employee, when she worked for 60 days and availed maternity leave for 182 days and she was on earned leave 56 days. Since total days coming more than 240, she is eligible. How many leaves to be credited for her? 60 divided by 20. Only 3 days will be credited to her. If all the employees are from January to December, this procedure is applicable. When employee joins in between January to December, maybe March or July, then 240 days eligibility he or she will not get. That time how to calculate eligibility? Act says 2/3 of working days. If the employee is working, then he or she is eligible. Calculation method is same. 1 day for every 20 days working. On this leave, some more provisions are given in next video. Please see and share. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share to all your HR friends. We will come back with another subject. Thank you.